Is fragmented communication costing your projects? Managing a complex project is a constant balancing act. When engineering, procurement, and site teams move in sync, it's a symphony. But when communication is fragmented across WhatsApp threads, spreadsheets, and email, even the best teams get blindsided by a simple data error. One wrong spec, a costly chain reaction. Imagine this situation. A critical component arrives on site, but it's a wrong spec. That one oversight sets off an expensive cascade your team can't easily stop. Wasted man hours, freight and handling waste, late delivery charges, procurement cost hikes. All of these things happen one after the other, but these are not people problems. They are system problems caused by the absence of a single source of truth. How Opterix hardwires accuracy? Opterix replaces fragmented data with a single source of truth that makes errors far harder to introduce, approve, or build from. In this example, the project engineers would get an approved spec for every single part and they would upload it in the system. When they make a request, the approved spec is automatically copied into the requisition, and once the requisition is approved and a purchase order is made, the same approved spec is copied into the purchase order, and when the material arrives from the supplier, the exact same spec is referenced to make sure that the correct item has been received. So the complete system works from a single source of truth to make sure that the correct actions are taken. About Opterix. Opterix is a secure, customizable, and cost-effective platform built for businesses that demand precision. We offer one of the most complete solutions for SITC projects, manufacturing, and trading. Move from reactive to reliable. One platform, zero ambiguity. By establishing a single source of truth, Opterix ensures that everyone from the office to the site draws from the same set of verified facts. You stop wasting hours investigating what went wrong. You start delivering projects on time and on budget. Are you ready to protect your margins? I would love to show you a quick demo of how Opterix can help your team eliminate avoidable errors and institutionalize precision across every project. Find out more about us at opterix.in or just write to me at ravi@productrx.com. Thank you for watching.